Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain to you how you can or where you can find your own scheduled events and meetings page on Calendly. As a preview, for example, for your team members or invitees. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Calendly. And here on the left hand side, guys, what you need to do is click into the admin center. Here inside the admin center, navigate to dashboard. And from there, select users. Here, guys, you will see your team, for example, here listed with all the users within the team. And after that, what you want to do is click into this option here under Calendly page. So that is going to redirect you to the page, as you can see, of your team here. With the scheduling page for the given meeting, so that your invitees may select the given meeting or event and either accept the invitation or attend the meeting or event or not. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.